Hi, everyone. I was making up some spreadsheets and I noticed some new things that are part of our spreadsheet tools. This handy little checklist, I'm going to show you how to create one right now so that if you're interested, you can make one for yourself. So I have listed all my students, the assignment that there's are to create. If you go to your insert menu and click on checkbox, it'll put a handy little checkbox on here. Grab your little fill handle and go to the bottom of your name list, and it puts in these handy little checkboxes that you can simply check off. It's a great way of keeping track of your assessments that your students are handing in. Hope all is well, and hang in there.